guys, welcome to my channel. So in the previous video I have made a light detecting sensor, and this video it is nothing but a darkness detecting sensor. This is a circuit board I have designed. You can see this. So here the components I have used are an LED, red color LED, 470 ohm resistor, 100k ohm resistor, 50k potentiometer, BC547 transistor and one LDR sensor and 9 volts power supply. You can see this. So I have connected this according to circuit. I will post the circuit on the screen. You can see that according to the circuit I have soldered. In place of 100k ohm resistor and 50k potentiometer, you can use a 47 kilo ohm resistor. This is in this way also the project will be work, but as I am using 9 volts power supply, the power supply became high, so I have kept an potentiometer and 100k resistor. Okay, this is a circuit if you use 47 kilo ohm resistor. In both ways the project will work. So now I will show the working of this circuit. I am connecting 9 volt battery. See guys, now normal room light, the LED is off. You can see this. This is a LDR sensor. So now I will off the room temperature, light. So you can see this. You can see still there is some light, so it is not that much accurate, but you can see like this. Now when I cover the LDR sensor, the LED glows. At the same time, when I remove the covering, the LDR, the light does not glow. See, now you can see LDR became dark and LED glows. This is a simple circuit. It is used in many automation projects and security projects also. This is just for the simple circuit, how to use an LDR sensor like that. You can see this. I will post the circuit on the screen, and in description I will mention the components required. You can see that, and you can also make the project. Okay guys, so simply I will explain how this is working. So in the normal room light, when light is more, the resistance value reduces, the LDR value resistor value reduces. So this is why the transistor becomes off and the light does not glow. And when we close the light, when we off the light, you can see, now you can see this. When we off the light, here the resistance increases of the LDR. So this is why the transistor starts working, and when the transistor starts working, the LED glows. It's a simple explanation. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Bye bye.